Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the difference between a heart attack and a cardiac arrest. What causes a heart attack? A heart attack is caused by a blockage of an artery that prevents blood reaching oxygen from reaching sections of the heart. You find that at this point the heart continues beating, but tissues begin to die slowly due to lack of oxygen. Some of the symptoms of a heart attack include chest pains, we have nausea, we have shortness of breath, and many more. When a person is experiencing a heart attack, the immediate action to do is to call the emergency services. But what about a cardiac arrest? A cardiac arrest is caused by electrical malfunctions or the electrical failures that causes the heart to stop beating unexpectedly. What do I mean when I say electrical failures or electrical malfunctions? I mean these are the signals, the internal signals that coordinate your heartbeat. Normally, a natural pacemaker called the sinoarterial node that are found in the upper part of your heart sends a steady impulse that travels down to the bottom, telling your muscles to squeeze in a steady rhythm or in a perfect rhythm. What is the condition of the heart at this point? The heart stops beating completely and you find blood cannot reach the mind or the brain and other body parts. What are some of the symptoms? Number 1, we have sudden collapse. Number 2, we have loss of consciousness, and many more. You find that when a person is having a cardiac arrest, there is no pulse, and also the person is not breathing. So the immediate action to do when a person is experiencing a cardiac arrest, number 1 is to call the emergency services. If that is not available, you can continue on with cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR. Number 3, if CPR is not available, you can use a defibrillator if it is available. So number 1, I've said do CPR, use a defibrillator if available, and call the emergency services. That is when a person is experiencing a cardiac arrest. So I hope you've learned the difference between a heart attack and a cardiac arrest. A heart attack mainly caused by blockage of an artery, but a cardiac arrest is caused by an electrical failure of the heart. The heart attack, one thing you should note is that the heart attack can lead to a cardiac arrest, but they are distinct and very deadly. Thank you and stay tuned for the next video.